Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I'll show you how to get Windows 10 File Explorer and Context Menu in Windows 11 running computers. So, without further more delay, let's begin. So, right now I'm using a Windows 11 operating system. So, whenever we right mouse click, you can see the context menu of our respective Windows 11. So, let me open the File Explorer as well. So you can see the File Explorer of the respective Windows 11, right? So in order to get the Windows 10 File Explorer and context menu in our respective Windows 11 computers, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application named as UniqueExplorer by Dashboards. On the first list, you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side, you can see here releases. Just click on it. Now just below the assets, you will see here one file, UniqueExplorer.zip. So you need to download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now just double click this application. Now you may get this kind of warning, so don't worry, just click on this more information and just click run anyway. So now you can see here select Explorer type. So by default Windows 11 has been selected, so just select this Windows 10 under the Explorer type, and for the context menu type, once again select this Windows 10 and click on OK. Now you can see here the File Explorer looks exactly like the Windows 10 File Explorer, having the various options as you can see on the above. And now let us check the context menu. Just right mouse click. Now you can see we have got finally the Windows 10 context menu as well. So if you want to revert it back, just open or run the UniqueExplorer again, and now just select the Windows 11 under the Explorer tab, as well as select the Windows 11 under the context menu tab and click on OK. Now it has returned back to the default Windows 11 style File Explorer. And now let us check the context menu as well. Just right mouse click, and now it has returned back to the default Windows 11 context menu style. So by using this application named as UniqueExplorer, you can easily get Windows 10 File Explorer and context menu in Windows 11 running computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.